Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find the color graphs on CapCut PC. So it's actually an adjustment, so you're just going to select the adjustments tab and you're going to select the curves tab. So it's kind of like a graphs thing right here to color grade. So here, if you want to make some parts of this lighter or darker, you can do that by dragging this and adding some beads on top, and you can like add in a little bit more red, a little bit more green if you will, and even some blue. Just drag it like so, and that's it. Just play around with the colors. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!